Hey, let me show you how you can quickly connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 to any non-Samsung smartphone. So in this case, I'm using Google Pixel 8a, but for sure it will also work with any other brand like Xiaomi, Redmi, or for example, Realme. So first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and open it. Then you will have to click and hold this button that is located at the bottom of the charging case, and wait until this indicator starts blinking with this three different colors. Now you can release. On your phone, you will have to open the Bluetooth settings, tap to pair new device, and accept the Galaxy Buds 3. Then click on the pair. And now, as you can see, we are connected. Next, you will have to, you don't have to, but you can actually go into the Google Play Store and download additional apps like the Galaxy Wearable, and this application will give you access for some more features of these earbuds. So you will be able to quickly open it, accept all of these permissions, click Start, select the Galaxy Buds 3, and there we go. As you can see, here we are. We've got noise cancellation and other functions available for this phone. So that's all right now. Please subscribe.